If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Yo, I'm about to share with you how you can make money with LiveGood even if you don't want to. All right, let's get straight into it. LiveGood is one of the best online business opportunities out there right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood. The hype is real. And one of the things that I love about LiveGood is the fact that you can actually make money even if you weren't trying to. All right. And this is how this happens. All right. All you need to do is become an affiliate of LiveGood, right? Become an affiliate of LiveGood and stay an affiliate of LiveGood. And you can actually start making money even if you don't want to, even if you're not even trying. And how this happens is due to spillover. Some people don't like to talk about spillover because when you think about spillover in LiveGood, it pretty much comes from like the fact that you're not doing anything, right? You're kind of just waiting, you're not active, and you're just waiting for the people that you came in underneath to start, you know, dropping down referrals and filling up your matrix and everything without you doing anything. But this is a reality. There are actually people involved with LiveGood who ain't doing a damn thing. And because of the team they're on, they're actually getting spillover. So they're checking their accounts every week because you get paid every Thursday in LiveGood. There's people, you know, checking their accounts and they're seeing, oh, $30 this week. Oh, $80 this week. You know what I'm saying? $200 this month. And they're sitting back like, damn, this is dope because I ain't done nothing. You know what I'm saying? I didn't do anything but become an affiliate. And this is real. And actually, it's funny, you know, my sister just getting started. She just joined my team and she's going to make some money and she hasn't done too much yet, right? She's in the process of doing her marketing and getting out there. But I told her, I'm like, yo, you know, you should be getting paid next week, right? She's like, really? I was like, yeah, because when you check her matrix, I'm putting people right underneath her. So she's making money and she's, you know, she haven't really done anything yet, right? But she's not one of the people that's just waiting on that though. She's like really preparing to go hard as hell with this opportunity because here's the thing. For those people who actually, you know, want to put effort in with LiveGood can make a ton of money, right? And I'm gonna tell you why. Because if you are somebody who's like, yo, I want to be active, like I don't want to just wait on a little extra money here and there, I want to go hard. The fact that you get a 50% matching bonus for every personal referral that you bring into LiveGood, like this makes your earning potential ridiculous. Like people will be sleeping on this. People really be sleeping because if you thought about what I'm about to break down to you, you definitely would be a LiveGood member. You would get off this video, sign up, and start promoting the hell out of this once you really think about what I'm about to tell you. All right, so with a 50% matching bonus, this is how it works. Say my sister, which I just told you about, I brung her in. She signed up underneath me, right? So how I just told you, she's preparing to go hard. She's in Arizona and she's like, yo, she getting her flyers together. She got her own YouTube channel. She's on Facebook, right? So say she starts earning $5,000 a month from her matrix, all right? Because she's been going hard. She's committed, she's dedicated, all right? I'm going to get $2,500 every month just because I brung her in. Think about that for a second, right? So just say, you know, I got another guy on my team. He's in New Orleans, right? I reached out to him. We were talking after he joined and he's like, yo, I'm ready to rock and roll. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm going hard with this opportunity. So just say, you know what I'm saying? He really on it like he say he is. Just say he goes out and he's making $8,000 next year from LiveGood, from his matrix. Just say he's making $8 grand. I'm going to get $4,000 a month from him. So just imagine if my sister was doing that and I'm getting $2,500 from her and I'm getting $4,000 from my guy in New Orleans, that's $6,500, $6,500 a month I'm getting from just bringing in 2 go-getters. 2! God damn it. Think about 2 people, right? But here's the kicker. If you coming in to live good, right? Yes, get your first 2 people. Get your first person, right? You know, live good so dope. This is something that you can tell your friends about, tell your family about, right? Like, this is something you can feel cool about promoting, right? But get your 2 people and realize the earning potential with that. But you should think bigger, right? Think bigger than that. Tell yourself, like, yo, what if I had 20 people, 20 personals, 50 personals, 100 personals, right? One of the top leaders in Live Good, they have over 700 personals, right? But there's people, think about this. There's people with less than 60 personals making $20,000 a month. Think about that. How is this possible? It's because of those matching bonuses. Because remember, if you got 60 personals, right? It only take a couple of them people to really be going hard for you to be earning money. Really vibe out and think about what I'm telling you. And that is the power of Live Good. But like I said, if you're the type of person who's like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't, you know, whatever. And you just join, right? Ultimately, you're gonna get spillover at some point. It ain't guaranteed when it's coming. It might come in a week. It might come in 6 months, right? But ultimately, with the growth of this company, the way it's looking, if you don't do nothing, if you don't even try, you're going to eventually start getting some spillover money. It might turn into a couple $100s a month. It might turn into a couple $1,000s a month. But ultimately, just stay in there, right? Just stay a member of Live Good. It's $10 a month, right? And you have earning potential. So this what makes Live Good super, super dope. And this is how you can actually get paid without even trying, whether you want to get paid or not. So if you haven't yet joined Live Good, you can do so right now by clicking the first link in the description. Take the 5-minute tour and get started. And I will see you on the team.